Hi, I'm Michael Landis with the Wildflower Seed Company. Today I'm going to be showing you our garden scissors. Everybody takes scissors into the garden. We designed these scissors for garden use. Our scissors are ergonomically designed. They have stainless steel blades, fiberglass handle with a guard to protect yourself if you're working with irritative grasses or anything that might be irritative to your hand, and a TPR grip which allows you to use these for extended periods of time very comfortably in your hand without getting blisters. These are fantastic scissors. What I'm going to be doing is just cutting these grasses back to a manageable height, again, so we can see what we're trying to show off, which is our beautiful fountain here. But these make very quick work of ornamental grasses. Just finish it up here. I think it looks a lot better. You can see the fountain again. So again, these are our garden scissors. We're very proud of these. I think you will be too. They're sharp and very precise. You can order these on our website, www.wildflower-seed.com. Happy gardening.